Hi, my name is Vanessa Breslin and I work with Canal Barge Company. Today I'm going to discuss a couple of slides on the RiverWorks Discovery presentation. First, start with some of the industry facts. The tugboat, towboat, and barge industry is the largest segment of the U.S. domestic maritime industry. So what does that mean? It employs more than 33,000 American mariners aboard its vessels. The nation's domestic maritime industry is an economic engine and job creator. This is all the shoreside and support jobs working to keep the boats working. 500,000 jobs and $100 billion in economic input. The single largest commodity that moves on the U.S. waterways is petroleum. 244 million tons is moved annually. Water transportation plays a critical role in facilitating the nation's trade. 60% of U.S. grain exports and 20% of U.S. coal. Efficient, economical, and environmental transportation. Barge transportation of goods is the single most efficient, economic, and environmental choice for transporting freight. 1 gallon of fuel can move 1 ton of cargo farther than any other mode of transportation. 1 gallon of fuel equals 647 ton miles. Rail, 1 gallon of fuel equals 477 ton miles. And truck, 1 gallon of fuel equals 145 ton miles. So how much cargo can a boat move? Boats can push very large groups of barges called tows. A typical tow size for a boat moving in a single area is around 15 barges. How much cargo is in 15 barges? Anyone want to take a guess? So 15 barge tow equals 240 rail cars, which is the same as 1,050 trucks. A 25 barge tow equals 400 rail cars, which is the same as 1,750 trucks. Fun fact, one ship holds approximately 55 barges worth of cargo. So one barge equals 16 rail cars, which equals 70 trucks. 55 barges equals 880 rail cars, which equals 3,850 trucks. If you lined up these trucks, they would be 204,050 feet long, or 38.5 miles long. Think about how long you'd have to wait for a train that size to go by. What about the traffic that all those trucks on the road would create? World seaborne trade. So globally, 10.7 billion tons of goods are shipped on oceans, river, lakes, and canals each year. So let's blow your mind. How do you picture 10.7 billion tons? 1,813 Great Pyramids of Giza, 32,326 Empire State Buildings, 434,959 Statues of Liberty, 68,589,743 average U.S. households, or 6,476,997,578 cars. It's a lot. Commodities. This list of cargoes is a snapshot of what can be moved on the waterways. Everything from coal to corn likely originated on a ship or barge before coming to your local Walmart or being used to build your car. Diversified cargo mix. Here are a few pictures of what these cargoes look like when they are in their shipping form. These cargoes, sometimes called commodities, are the ingredients for the products we use in our everyday lives. Using the raw cargo and changing it into a useful product is what powers the construction, automotive, technology, energy, and agricultural industries of the United States and the world. Thank you very much for your time and attention.